Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This specific video is very much long overdue, but I wanted to share an update on the compost bin that we started this summer with y'all. So if you watched my previous video, I decided to try my hand at composting so that we can start our garden in the near future. So the next several clips are just us adding some produce scraps, shredded paper, shredded cardboard to the bin over the course of a few months and just documenting the process as we go along. So on this particular day, it was very windy, and for the life of me, I could just not get those carabiners off to open the bin. And as you can see, my dog, she wanted to help out. So leave a dog emoji down in the comments if you have any canine fur babies.
Arigato.
So I believe this was the following week, and I tried to go out and mix the bin every Friday or Saturday just to keep it consistent. But overall, I was very surprised at how quickly everything was breaking down. And my guess is that the 3-digit temperatures we were having might have helped, but we did have to add more moisture more often to keep it from drying out. I don't know about y'all, but sitting here editing this video, like watching this process of everything breaking down is actually pretty cool. But let me just go ahead and be honest with y'all. So healthy me would buy produce, and not so healthy me just didn't around to eating all of it. So it always ended up in the compost bin, kind of like this spinach, which, I mean, granted, this is the purpose of having a compost bin, so don't come for me in the comments about my food waste, please. So far, the bin does not stink, which is a good thing, and it just smells like dirt. So I'm thinking that thus far we are doing something right. In the beginning, I opted to go out and mix the bin at least once a week just to keep everything moving, and it was looking so good. Like, this is pretty much done. But unfortunately, I had to go out of town for a few weeks and it kind of gotten forgot about. So when I got back, I was like, oh man, it's probably going to be looking a little crazy in there. But surprisingly, it held up pretty well. But one thing I did notice was that it started to get a little bit clumpy, but I realized it was because I was adding too much produce waste, and we had some pretty heavy rains where my grass got overgrown and I got an ant pile in there. And just after not being mixed for a few weeks with all that moisture, it was getting clumpy. So I recently added more shredded paper to offset some of that nitrogen rich material and that moisture. So hopefully that'll help even it back out. Got this guy growing in here. Plus the last few weeks we've been getting, well, I'd say last week or so, we've been getting some really heavy rain, so the compost bin for the most part is actually pretty moist.
Yep, and see these? I like to pick them.
Overall, this has been a pretty cool and fun experience, especially for my daughter, since I get to share it with her, make memories, and just teach her how to use the food that we eat and turn it into something new. So I'm really looking forward to officially starting our garden. So if you're interested in seeing that process, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're an experienced gardener, please help a sister out in the comments. I appreciate all the feedback that I can get. But that's all I have for y'all today. If you made it this far into the video, leave a plant emoji down in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and turn on notifications to get notified whenever I upload a video. Until next time.